Alright, here we go. Off on an adventure. I'm off for 3 months of national and state forest hopping across the state of Michigan. It's going to be awesome. I'm starting out in the Manistee National Forest, and then I'm going to hop from state forest to state forest until I get to the other half of the Huron National Forest. It's actually one forest on two sides of the state. They're managed together. Manistee Huron National Forest. So we are ready. And then here's the load. Yeah, it's a lot. I didn't bore you with the packing part like a lot of people do on these videos. That's bullshit. And I will never ever take video of myself refueling. Okay? So that's the rig. Here we go. It's gonna be freaking awesome, man. I can't wait. Oh, and I got a co-pilot here. Right. That is Miss Jane. She travels with me a lot. So, all right, that's it. Where are my keys? In my pocket. Good thing I put them there, huh? All right. Here we go. Woo! Okay, so I'm in the forest and I'm getting close to my target place where I want to camp. The wind's starting to blow, it's going to rain. This ought to be interesting. Huh. This is a road. Awesome!
For 1 mile.
All right, man. Shit, this is a motorcycle trail. Jeez. Look at the, I mean, holy crap. This is awesome. Look at the dust that's being kicked up. Look at the dust. That's dust. All right. Having fun in the Manistee.